Hey guys, come check out the deck house with me. See what we've accomplished so far. So as you can see, the flooring's all in. We have the kitchen cabinets delivered. The kitchen's still pretty ripped up, but come on to the living room. This is the most put together room we have. Accent wall is done. View is phenomenal as always. We have all of our furniture staged. And then come on back here with me. This is the lower master. You can wake up to that view every morning and come check out the shower. So we got a gold tile accent here with white subway tile. Bathroom is done. We did a textured tile. We still got to put in the shower heads, have some drywall work to do, put in the vanity. This bedroom is pretty much done. Just got to order furniture. Got this accent wall done. So this is a challenging spot. We're still trying to figure out a plan here, but this is the loft. We're gonna put some sort of seating or gaming up here and utilize this space as an amenity for our guests. Come on back here. We got 2 bedrooms and a master. This is gonna be the double twin XL room, kind of geared more towards kids, but adults can sleep in here too. All painted. Need to, do the lights and the fans and whatnot. This is going to be a queen room. It's all painted, ready to go. And come on, let's head to the master. On your right, this is getting split into 2 bathrooms. On your left, this is going to be a sauna. And this is the crown jewel in here. This is the master with the awesome view of Peninsula State Park over there. It's all painted. You can see the doors framed in. We cut this door in for the master over here. And this is going to be an awesome area that we're going to have a coffee bar and a lounge area in the master.